Typist A can type a sheet in 5 minutes, Typist B in 6 minutes, and Typist C in 8 minutes. The average number of sheet typed per hour per typist is. Now we want to find out per hour. So therefore, let's find out the number of sheets A, B, and C can type in 1 hour. So A can type 60 upon 5, that is 12 sheets in 1 hour. B can type 60 upon 6, that is 10 sheets in 1 hour. And C can type 60 upon 8, that is 7.5 sheets in 1 hour. That means in total they can type in 29.5 sheets per hour. Now there are three typists, so therefore the required answer will be 29.5 upon 3, that is 9.833. So that will be our answer, option C.